Now in session. Thank you. You may be seated. The court will call 22 CR 6008, People v. Anderson Aldrich. As a procedural matter, the court entered an order this morning allowing recording of the video feed from today's hearing. However, I want to make it extremely clear to everyone that is present in this courtroom currently and everyone who is present in the auxiliary courtroom that there is no photography allowed in the courtroom. There is no tweeting allowed in the courtroom. There are no videos to be taken while we are in session today. If someone is found to be in violation of this order, you will be immediately expelled from the courtroom and could face consequences, including contempt of court. Please turn off your cell phones and put them away at this time. Would the parties enter their appearances, please?
May it please the court, Michael Allen and Jennifer Veman for the people of the state of Colorado.
Good morning. Defense.
Good morning, Joseph Archambault, Michael Bowman, Office of the Colorado State Public Defender, on behalf of the defendant.
Good morning. Could the defendant please state his name?
Anderson Aldrich.
Anderson Aldrich, did you watch the video concerning your constitutional rights in this case?
Yes.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
No.
The court finds that Anderson Aldrich appears in custody for video advisement today with counsel. Counsel, are you waiving reading and advisement of the rights, charges, and penalties in this case at this time?
Yes, we are.
Are the people seeking a proof evident presumption great hearing in this matter?
Yes, Your Honor.
Then pursuant to Colorado Revised Statute 16-4-101-1A, I find there is legal authority to hold Anderson Aldrich without bond at this time. The next court hearing in this case will be held on December 6th of 2022 at 8:30 in the morning in Division 21 with Judge Michael McHenry. Are there any other matters that the parties would like to address today?
Yes, Your Honor. We'd ask if the court could set another date, not December 6th. Mr. Bowman's going to be in a jury trial over there at that time.
Let me find out if that would be possible. Okay, we're checking on that. Just bear with us.
Thank you, Your Honor.
And Judge, while we're checking on available dates, it's customary in the 4th Judicial District to file charges within 10 days of today. If we're going further from that, are they waiving any time constraints that would be associated therewith?
Did defense hear Mr. Allen?
Yes. We can't accept the 6th because Mr. Bowman's trial calendar. We can do it earlier next week if Mr. Allen would like that, or we could waive the 10 days.
I don't believe that Judge McHenry is available earlier, which was the reason that it was set for the 6th, but we are reaching out to his staff right now to find out. So we'll let you know in just a moment. Okay. So Division 21 is indicating that currently that is the only date that is available. I would encourage counsel to follow up with Division 21 after the holiday, early next week, to see if something else could be arranged. That's the only information I have at this time. Judge McHenry is not in currently, and so we can't get additional information from him. Mr. Bowman.
I have nothing further, Judge.
Okay. I understand the position the defense is in, and it is clear in the record that you're not accepting that date. We will schedule the case for that date and time, but Division 21 and the people are on notice that that date may be changed, and that is the defense's request. Are there any other matters that either side would like me to address right now?
Nothing from us, Judge.
Okay. Anything from the defense?
Yes, Your Honor, we would ask that the court allow the defense to have a copy of the arrest warrant unsealed so that we may review it and advise our client in advance of the next court date.
Mr. Allen.
We have no objection to the court unsealing for purposes of defense. So just as it relates to representation.
I did review defense's motion in that regard prior to this hearing today. I will release the affidavit to defense counsel and their investigator with a protective order in place that it not be released any further. And will the people make sure that defense counsel gets a copy of that?
We can arrange that.
Thank you. Anything else for the purposes of today's hearing?
Not from defense.
Not from us, Judge.
Okay. Thank you. We will be in recess.
Thank you.
All right.